The balancer.
Ooh.
You can get a light.
Ooh, you got that stuff too. Ooh. Wait till you see what Trevor did.
I wanted one just to be able to hook some spade terminals up to that bitch, you know?
Feels a lot better with tucker burner.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Did y'all see the tail light?
I see it when you pull him in.
I saw when I rolled by. Run it again.
Yeah, this fucking shit's about to go apart. Oh, it's a push one too. Hell
Yeah, a little slim butt down in the hole
looks
so you
good,
can't
dude.
like bump it and shit.
March 15th. Ready? You guys ready?
To it.
Where's it gonna be at?
That's gonna be a crazy time. Bueno, tienes por abajo. Down. Desde abajo para arriba.
He just called me for money. And they still owe me money and then he asked me, oh, I'll give you $100 this week and I'll give the rest next month.
For freak's sake.
That truck's a fly tire.
Do what now? What do you get? What do you get?
We didn't get a beer from Hell's? No.
Yeah, it is.
So now you want to try the Speedo app or what?
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about it is the freaking muffler right on my fucking hand.
Yeah.
We got to put exhaust
I
on
was
or
thinking
wrap
we
on
need
it.
to get the exhaust.
Almost 40.
38.
It should do better than that. Was it pegged?
Yeah, it went all the way down.